COVID-19 patient was allegedly sexually assaulted by an ambulance driver in central Kerala's Pathanamthitta district on the way to a hospital on Saturday night, officials said. Police said that the suspect was arrested within hours of the time, which has triggered an outrage and a political bickering in the left-ruled state. Two women from a family tested COVID-19 positive on Saturday evening, and they were taken to a health facility in an ambulance, police said in the report. There were no family members in the vehicle, in accordance with protocols laid down by the Kerala government. While one of them was admitted to a dedicated COVID-19 facility, authorities advised the ambulance driver to take the second woman to another hospital, just around 4 km away. But the driver took a detour and drove about 18 km. On the way, he stopped the ambulance at a desolate place and raped the 22-year-old patient inside the vehicle. Police said the driver threatened the woman with dire consequences if she spoke up. The woman told doctors about the incident upon being admitted to a hospital. Later, a medical examination confirmed the sexual assault. State Health and Family Welfare Minister K.K. Shailaja called the incident inhuman and said it should not have been happened. Police found that the 29-year-old suspect was involved in several crimes in past, including a murder attempt. Health officials said he was recruited on a temporary basis and that they were investigating how he got the job despite his criminal record. Officials in the health ministry said the department will order a probe. In the wake of the incident, health authorities gave strict instructions that every ambulance should have at least 2 employees and special care should be taken if there were women patients on board.